Many people think protein is only for bodybuilders or athletes, but the truth is, protein is essential for everyone. Regardless of your activity level, it plays a crucial role in our overall health and well-being. Protein is a fundamental building block of life, involved in almost every bodily function. From building and repairing tissues, to making enzymes and hormones, protein is vital. It also supports your immune system. Think of it as your body's construction crew, constantly working to maintain and rebuild, ensuring everything functions correctly. So, how much protein do you really need? It's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your protein requirements largely depend on two main factors: your body weight and your activity level. A sedentary person will have different needs than someone who exercises regularly. A simple way to understand your protein needs is to think in terms of grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For most adults, a general guideline is around 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. This is a baseline for maintaining health. To calculate, take your weight in kilograms and multiply it by 0.8. Let's compare. If you're mostly sedentary, 0.8 grams per kilogram might be sufficient. However, if you're an active individual, regularly engaging in exercise, your needs will be higher. Especially strength training, you might aim for 1.2 to 1.7 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. This higher intake supports muscle repair and growth, crucial for active lifestyles. Now, where can you get this protein? Many common Indian foods are excellent sources. Lentils, chickpeas, paneer, milk, yogurt, and various dals are rich in protein. For non-vegetarians, chicken, fish, and eggs are also great options. A balanced diet incorporating these foods can easily help you meet your daily protein targets. It's important to note a specific caution. If you have kidney disease, your protein intake needs careful management. High protein levels can sometimes put extra strain on the kidneys. Therefore, if you are a kidney patient, it is crucial to consult your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can determine your appropriate protein intake, tailored to your specific health needs. In summary, protein is vital for everyone, not just bodybuilders. Your daily needs vary based on body weight and activity level, typically ranging from 0.8 to 1.7 grams per kilogram. You can easily get enough protein from a variety of common foods, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional if you have specific health conditions like kidney disease. Prioritizing adequate protein intake is a simple yet powerful step towards better health for everyone.